Generating videos in Descript isn't just about expressing your ideas. It lets you add the exact visuals you need anywhere in your project for a polished, professional look. In this video, we'll go over 3 generative video workflows: adding timing and sound details, animating a logo, and creating a looping background. If you're new to AI video, you can check out our Getting Started tutorial for the basics. Otherwise, let's dive in. You can generate videos where motion and sound follow precise cues, all by writing a prompt that includes timing and audio details. The good news is, you don't have to figure that out on your own. Open Underlord, describe the video you want to create, and ask your AI assistant to refine your idea with timing and sound cues. Once you're happy with the result, copy the prompt into the Generate Video panel. Choose a model that supports audio generation. Click Generate, then preview the result and add the clip to your project. Animating a logo brings movement and personality to your brand, making your videos feel more engaging and dynamic. To start, you'll need an image that shows how you want the animation to begin. Change the background color in your scene, then save that image to your project files. Next, add your logo, and save another image to show how you want the animation to end. With both images ready, open Generate Video. Go to Add Context to set the first image. Then, choose a model that lets you add a last frame and upload your second image. Now write your prompt. Being specific about how you want the animation to unfold will help you get closer to what you imagine. For example, little glowing particles rise up and come together to form the logo and text. Click Generate, and once it's ready, preview the clip and add it to your project. A seamless looping background makes your videos look polished and engaging, without distracting your audience with a noticeable jump or awkward cut when the background resets. Once you've added a background image for your main recording, select it and choose Turn into Video to quickly set it as the first frame. Then set the same image as the last frame. That's the key to making your generated video loop seamlessly. Next, write a prompt describing the video you want. Click Generate, then add the video to your scene. Finally, select the generated clip, open Properties, and turn on Loop. And there you have it. 3 ways to use generative video in Descript to create polished professional projects. We covered creating videos with timing and audio cues, animating a logo with first and last frames, and generating a seamless looping background. Now it's your turn. Try one of these workflows in Descript and see how far you can take generative video.